malaman mo that you're still a person. Huh? Sana hopefully, ma-appreciate nyo yung mga taong yan. Sino ba yung mga yan? Your parents, your teachers, yung mga kuya, mga ate ninyo. These are the people who care for you. That's why we are telling you these things. Huh? If we do not love you, huh? Hindi namin ipag-aaksaya ng oras. Hindi kami mag-aaksaya ng oras sa inyo. But we felt the love of God. That's why we want you to experience that love of God. Kaya namin pilit sinishare sa inyo. Kaya nga may God time tayo eh. Remember, there's always a time for everything. A time for laughter, a time for tears, a time to look down, a time to write, a time to look at me, a time to listen, a time to speak, diba? A time to look there, a time to scratch your head, a time to make punat on your panyo, huh? A time to lean forward, a time to give back.